Hello everybody, how are you? I am Nurez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classita.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is symbol is option A technique for a castings where wax is craved then the heated after the mold is made then heated so that the wax melts leavings and the impressions option B and additive process where artists construct work by putting together the objects and attached them in some way. Option C, a substitution process, which is the artist models an image in a soft medium such as was, then the replaces it with some things more durable such as bonds. Option D, the use of the tools of the chip away to base in the order to the correct answer of the question is option B, an additive process where artists construct work by putting together objects and attach them in the same way. In art, assemblage refers to a creative techniques in which artists construct a work of arts by assembling and attaching various objects, materials, or elements to create an unfilled piece. The process involves adding the component together to form a competition. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and ask sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.